Is hair loss ruining your day? Try these simple tapping techniques.
Start by gently massaging the first pressure point at the center of your forehead. This is the center of your karmic energy and controls your central nervous system. The first marma point is 8 fingers above the brows, known as the Adhipati marma. This improves blood circulation to the scalp, nourishes the hair follicles, and strengthens the hair roots. The second point is 12 fingers above, known as the 𝗪𝗵𝗶. Improves scalp health, reduces hair loss due to stress and tension, calms the nervous system, and balances the mind. The next one is 4 fingers above the nape of your neck, the 𝗪𝗁𝗃𝗃 marma. Relieves stress and shoulder tension, supports hair growth, works wonders for headaches. If you're doing this at night, move to the 𝗏𝗏𝗺 marma located behind the ears to ensure a restful sleep. You can end by gently massaging the 𝗙𝗵𝗃 marma located in the temples to calm the mind and completely de-stress yourself. Learn all this and more by doing face yoga with me. Comment below and I'll send you all the details.